I'm Michael Sanchez. I'm with Sabre Commercial. I'm the superintendent here. This used to be an old hospital called Mineral Springs. They were actually drilling for oil, and they found a hot spring. And so that hot spring has a lot of natural minerals in it that offers a lot of what they believe to be a healing. And so this hospital became a huge focus during the polio outbreak, and this became the largest polio facility in North America for treating children with disabilities. So there's a lot of history in the healing powers of these waters, and they're continuing that legacy here by capturing it and maintaining a lot of the historical value of this place. This is one where everybody has a shovel in hand, everybody's working and all pushing towards the same objective. We're real proud of this one. J-Mar's been fantastic. I gave them a tall order out here because I told them we need to have roofs ripped off and reinstalled within a matter of 3 weeks. J-Mar performed. They did an outstanding job, and we don't have a single leak in any of the roofings they touched. J-Mar outperformed almost every sub out here. Whenever they said they were going to get it done, they got it done. And there's nobody else I would recommend any roofing to other than J-Mar.